Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor 400 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. Let me quickly turn off the timer because I'd like to start from the very beginning. So this is what you will see after entering the camera and after tapping on the photo mode. So we do not have any icon which is connected with the timer. We have to do it step by step through the settings. So let's tap on the settings in the right upper corner, so this gear icon. Then let's scroll down and find the timer. Then let's tap on it. And here we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. We've got off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So just tap on the option I'd like to use. I will pick 10 seconds delay. As you can see, it is immediately highlighted and notified right here. And after getting back to the camera itself, you can see that we've got a new icon which is connected with the timer, so we can quickly check whether we've got the timer set or not. Now all we have to do is to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, we've got the flashlight turned on, but that's okay. Let me quickly turn it off. So as you can see, our device just took a photo. What is more, after appearing this icon, we can tap on it and change the timer right here. So we can freely choose 5 or 2 seconds delay or turn it off completely. However, after turning it off, this icon will disappear. So again, you have to go through the settings. So now all you have to do is to tap on the shutter button and your device will immediately take a photo. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.